Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 active, and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And after you open the application, you should see the health page. Now you can tap on devices icon to open the devices page, and here you can select your Huawei Watch 4 from the list of devices. Now scroll through this page and find the watch faces category. If you don't see the watch faces category on your phone, it could be because when you installed the Huawei Health application for the first time, you selected a region that doesn't support this feature. So one thing you could try to do is to reinstall the app and select a different region. For example, I'm using United Kingdom, and hopefully that will solve your problem. And once you see the watch faces category, tap on More, then tap on Mine, and here let's find the gallery watch face right here. Once you find the gallery watch face, tap on it, and now we can customize it. And to do it, you can basically add or remove the backgrounds. I'm gonna remove this one and add it now. So to add the background, tap on the plus button, select photo or gallery. If you select the photo option, it will open camera app. You can take a photo and use it as a watch face. And if you select the gallery option, it will allow you to select the photo from your phone. I'm gonna use the gallery option. If you're being asked to allow the permission for the files, allow it, and then it will open the file manager, and here we can open the folder, for example download, and then select the photo. And once you select the photo, you need to crop it. So if the photo is too big to fit on the watch face, you will basically need to select the part of the photo as a watch face. And once you crop the image, tap on the check mark, and here we have a preview of our watch face. You can also add multiple pictures, so you can tap on plus again, select gallery for example, select different picture, crop it. As you can see, now I have multiple pictures. You can also change the style of the watch face, so the style of the clock, then layout, so where the clock should be on the top or the button, and also you can select the widget. And once you're done, you can tap on save to save and upload the watch faces to your watch. And once it's done, the watch face will be applied. And if you're using more than one background, you can change them by tapping on the screen, like that. And also, I believe they will change when you wake up the screen on your watch. So basically, if the screen turns off and you wake it up, the watch face will change. It will cycle between them. So, but I'm not sure if it's gonna do that. But you can surely change them by simply tapping on the current watch face. Okay, and that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.